Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. It is a great pleasure to join the bonus celebrations, and many thanks for the invitation. And also I would like to extend our congratulations on your progress and also this impressive 40 projects that I heard yesterday, especially if in the Black Sea region we have like 10 times less projects, I would say. As you may know, I represent the Black Sea Commission's Permanent Secretariat, and we are one of the 4 European Regional Sea Conventions, same as the Helsinki Commission. And speaking about figures again, we are like 4 times younger than ICES and 2 times, I think, younger than Helsinki Commission, but still we already have a long history of our fruitful cooperation, and I think that bonus is really benefiting to this fruitful cooperation. Indirectly, we're also linked to Baltic Sea through one of our contracting parties. So Russian Federation is also having an access and benefiting and contributing to the bonus work. So we are happy also to observe this work from on behalf of the Russian Federation. So as it was mentioned already, we have very similar troubles, similar challenges in our seas, and quite similar issues on our agenda and gaps in the research as well as the gaps in the decision making, I would say. And we are still working hard on incorporation of some new challenges like climate change, like marine litter, like marine noise, and we also work on all these colorful abbreviations like SDGs and, you know, green economy, blue growth. And in fact, every time I hear one of the mottos of one of our NGOs, which sounds like greening the Black Sea, I'm always crying, because this is, you know, knowing that nutrients is the biggest problem for the Black Sea. It's really, really, you know, sounds very weird. And speaking about nutrients, let me just mention that we had a very nice experience of working with HELCOM. A couple of years ago, we finalized an important project called Baltic 2 Black, dealing with reduction of nutrients pollution. And because we really need to sustain the deliverables of this project, I think that bonus experience is also very important for us, and we would like to follow each and every deliverable of the dedicated projects. We also, of course, benefiting from dissemination campaign and also by the tools which were developed by different bonus projects. Just to mention that since we last met at the advisory board meeting, we have some important success from our side in the Black Sea. We finally have one important document which is less than 1 kilogram, but still, and this is the Black Sea Integrated Monitoring and Assessment Program. Why I'm mentioning it here, as you may know, we only have Romania and Bulgaria, which are members to the European Union, and the MSFD and other directives are not legally binding. So in this document that I mentioned, for the first time, we have some legal linkages to the environmental legislation of the European Commission, and we have finally a definition of the good environmental status in the Black Sea, and also a list of some important databases and some activities for data sharing with the other regional sea conventions. And we also have a list of priority studies, which I can now easily share with our colleagues from DG Research, especially taking into account that the Black Sea Commission is not, unfortunately, eligible for the Horizon 2020 projects. And, you know, this is now something to deepen our cooperation on. Let me also mention that we are finalizing our so-called State of Environment report, and we will have a dedicated chapter on socioeconomics, and I'm sure that our scientists will be using some of the tools and some of the deliverables produced under the bonus projects. Another, the last significant achievements we had, we now have a list of indicators which will be annually reported by the Black Sea riparian countries to the Black Sea Commission. And I'm very happy that one of the reporting parameters on nutrients was in fact taken from HELCOM. So the HELCOM heat assessment tool will be one of the parameters of reporting in the Black Sea now, so which is also a nice news reviews and will give us a chance to harmonize somehow our assessment, and also, assessment between the Black Sea countries, and also to somehow make it compatible and comparable to the one of the Baltic Sea. So I will finish here, and I would just like to mention the congratulations once again with your 10 years anniversary, and I wish you success with all your projects, and especially the new ones, and we will be delighted to follow your progress and learn from your experience. Thank you so much.